Today we're exploring two unforgettable experiences near Branson, Missouri. The first will be the breathtaking views from top of the rock. Next, we'll visit the incredible storytelling at the largest collection of Native American artifacts in America. This is inside the ancient Ozark's Natural History Museum, which also houses collections from the Civil War era and natural history. Hi, I'm Debbie, a Cajun girl who loves to travel the world. As we arrive at top of the rock, the first thing that stands out is the dramatic setting. Built high above Table Rock Lake, this destination feels more like a mountain retreat than a tourist attraction. Stone pathways wind through towering trees, waterfalls cascade beside the trails, and everywhere you look, there's sweeping panoramic views of the Ozark Mountains. The experience begins as we board our golf carts.
Oh, there he is. That's for the kids. Got the name. More baby scared.
At our own pace, we follow the trail that slowly winds through caves, rock formations, waterfalls, and scenic overlooks. Every turn reveals another postcard-perfect scene. One moment you're passing through the Lost Canyon Cave with hanging lanterns, and the next you're staring out across green hills rolling towards the horizon. We're going into the Lost Canyon Cave. The Bat Bar is here where you can grab a drink, and then tell me what you think about the beautiful waterfall inside the cave.
Then there's a trail on the river on this side.
There's a big cat too.
Now you turn to the left.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Don't let them bears get you. Cool.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Now we're coming to the Ancient Ozarks Natural History Museum. The moment you walk inside, the atmosphere changes. Massive timber beams, natural stone walls, and dim lighting create the feeling of stepping back into another era. The museum tells the story of the Ozarks from prehistoric times through the American frontier, and every gallery is packed with remarkable detail. Giant elk, bison, and prehistoric creatures, even a dire wolf, reminds us that this land has been home to wildlife for thousands of years. As we move deeper into the museum, the exhibits begin telling the story of the Native American tribes who first lived in the Ozarks. Beautifully crafted tools, pottery, weapons, and artwork reveal a culture deeply connected to the rivers, forests, and mountains of this rugged landscape. One of the most moving parts of the museum is the Civil War collection. Missouri was a deeply divided state during the war, and the exhibits capture the hardships and tensions that shaped the region. Authentic uniforms, weapons, personal letters, and historical artifacts bring the stories to life in a powerful way. Throughout the museum, there's an incredible attention to detail. Wildlife dioramas recreate scenes from the Ozarks with stunning realism, and the storytelling connects visitors to the land itself, showing how generations of people survived, hunted, explored, and built lives in these mountains. What makes this destination truly special is how perfectly the museum complements the natural beauty outside. After learning the history of the Ozarks, stepping back outdoor gives the scenery a whole new meaning. The forests, caves, rivers, and mountains suddenly feel connected to centuries of stories and traditions. Visiting Top of the Rock and the Ancient Ozarks Natural History Museum isn't just sightseeing. It's an immersive journey through nature, history, and the spirit of the American Ozarks. Whether you come for the stunning views, the peaceful atmosphere, or the fascinating history, this is a place that leaves a lasting impression long after the visit ends. If you're here camping, we have a list of our favorite camping supplies in our description. We hope you'll join us again for more travel adventures. See you on the road.